Okay, now let's try to have a look what is inside. Let's open the window. One, two, three. Let's open the window. What is it here? Let's try to find face parts. Where is my eye? Can you help me to find my eye? Is it my eye? No. Is it my eye? No. Where is my eye? Ah, this is my eye. Okay, great. Can you find my ears, please? This? No. No. This is my ear. Okay, good. This is my ear. Great. And where is my nose? Is it my nose? No. Is it my nose? No. This is my nose. Right. Great. Okay. And where is my mouth? Is it my mouth? No. Is it my mouth? No. This is my mouth. Yes, great. This is my mouth. Okay, perfect.